Hi, I'm Lakshmikant Nayak from webdesignfreetutorials.in. In this video, I will show you how to create a Twitter. The Twitter app is required for different purposes, but in this video, I will show you how to create the Twitter app when you want your post to automatically posted on your Twitter wall. Before that, I assume you have your login details ready with you for your Twitter account you have created, and after that, go to this link dev.twitter.com/apps/new. There you need to give the same username and password with which you are using your Twitter account. Then click on login. After clicking on login, if you don't have created any applications before, then it will not show anything. It will take you to a page like not this page, it will take you to this page. After that, you have to move your mouse over here, then click on the second one, my applications. After that, it will show you the apps you have created, or if you don't have created any apps, you can simply click on here to create a new app. So create a new application, then give the name of the website. I am giving you a design free tutorials for me. Then description, I am giving this one. Website URL, I am giving this website URL, let's say this one. Then the callback URL, the same one. Make sure the callback URL and the website URL is same. Then read out this rule, then yes, then fill the captcha FFICALV, then create your new application, Twitter application. Now you can see your application has been successfully created. Please take some time, it will take some time to update. During that time, click on settings. In settings, scroll down and make this read and write, so that your content management system can read and also write on this on your wall, Twitter wall, by using this application. Then give the organization name and organization website, then update these settings. After that, you need to go to auth tool. In auth tool, you need to give a access token. You can give any type of access token. I am giving my name you like, and it is your name you like. Anything you can give which is secure. Keep it as get, then see auth signature. Now your application is completely ready. Now if you want to integrate your Twitter wall to your website, then that will ask you. You can go to my website and you can, which is this one, the top 10 WordPress social media plugin, Facebook auto feed plugins or Twitter auto feed plugins. There are plugins, there are different plugins available. Read out the things and download the one you required. Each and every plugin you download for this purpose will ask you three things: the consumer key, then it will ask you this one below the auth tool, under the auth tool, the access token and access token secret, and after that it will get automatically set up, so that if any posts you make, it will automatically fed to your Twitter wall. That's all for this tutorial. In the next video I will show you how to create a Facebook fan page and how to integrate that with your website. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We will happy to help you out with your problem. Have a nice time ahead. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe us if you enjoy and got what you are looking for.